Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Marissa and today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul and I could not wait to show you guys some of these pieces. They're so awesome and I did find these pieces just today and some a few weeks back. And also I'm going to show you guys a little mini trial. So this piece I found a few weeks back and they're just these really cute high-waisted shorts. They're super cute and they're like a light washed high-waisted shorts and it's the brand Paxson. Always fit me so well and the fact that they carry really teeny sizes is amazing. This was a must. Next piece that I found is just this pink sweater. It's got these little side buttons right here. It's more of a cropped like sweater. I think this would be really cute with some jeans, somewhere I could wear just to go out and about. Next item that I found is just this really cute little vest that I found. It has these really cool little buttons on both sides. Very symmetrical. I thought just so different. It looks kind of vintage. It is Forever 21. It's totally me. And I thought this would be cute with like a white button up on the bottom or just any like color, honestly, just to add a little more like sophistication. Okay, so I found the sweater at SAVERS, now that I remembered. This like baseball like bomber jacket and it's just striped with the blue and pink. It's a Forever 21 brand. Next item is just this really cute little sweater. And it's the brand Worthington. It's got this cute little yellow piping on the edge. And it's got like the little ruffle. And it also has like little, like tiny little pill balls. I don't know, it's just so different. I thought that was so fun. It's orange, pink, and yellow. That was a really neat like fabric. I'm sorry guys, oh no. I find the other piece of this earring, but I just picked these up today. They're just very like 80s looking. It's just such a cool like geometric shape like earring and I just thought it was so different and I got this for $1.99 at SAVERS. Isn't that so cute? They just look very retro. This I fell in love with. I actually found it in the kids section. I feel like the best finds are in the kids section because you always find the most colorful, the most like trendy like item you can ever find. I found this. Look at that, you guys. Oh my goodness. I am in love. Like, there's so much going on in this sweater. There's a lot of textures. There's a lot of like 3D kind of feel. It's just very vibrant, but look at that. Oh my goodness. I was sold by this. The little tassels. They're not even tassels. It's a fringe. And it's actually, you guys are gonna be surprised, but this is the brand Cat and Jack. I don't know if you know this brand, but Target sells this. Okay, so this other item, I thought that was just very simple, basic, cropped kind of top. But it got little buttons in the middle, trendy. And this would be really cute with like some shorts in the summer or even pants or some high-waisted, you know, anything. This will look really good with it. And it's just your basic gray and white shirt. My next find is just this really cute little jacket and I got this one for $4.49 and it's just like a snow jacket. What I really liked about this jacket, it's got this pink outline all over the jacket which caught my eye and I don't know, I just like the way it fit too, so it's pretty neat. And of course anything with the hood is always great. My next find is just a bomber jacket. I have so many bomber jackets. I literally have one in every color. This like dark like midnight green color and it's got this really interesting like detail around it like up here. So I thought that was really interesting. And again, this brand, I swear this brand makes the cutest stuff. And it's the cat and jack bomber jackets like this many times in the past, and I've always wanted to get one, but I can never find it. I always see it on Instagram, Facebook, but I found it and I was like, oh, I gotta get it. I also have one more clothing item that I will show you guys. I forgot to show you. They're just like these really fun camo pants. And they got like this cargo pocket, a slim leg. I thought this was really fun. It does look kind of like worn out a little, but not too bad. I remember last year like camo pants were like a thing. I mean, I think they're still a thing this year. And those in the kids section for $2.99. Just have 2 items left, and these are non-clothing items. Here we go. So I found a really cute belt. Got it for $2.99 at Savers. And it's just like this Western inspired belt. I have a pink one, and then I used to have like another color. I used to have a brown one, I don't know what happened. But I found a white one, and I thought this would be so cute with some high-waisted pants. I will show you guys how I put it together. I found a Kipling, I don't know if you guys are familiar with the Kipling brand, but it's just like this drawstring Kipling backpack. I love Kipling stuff. I say that, but I don't own anything Kipling. One day I'll be able to afford lots of Kiplings. But right now, it's okay. But it's in pretty good condition. And look at that, it's so cute. I love the colors. It's got the green, it's got the tan color, like taupey, sorry, I wouldn't say that. I would say more of like a taupey color. So like the backpack, and I'll show you guys once I put it all together. But yeah, I thought that was really fun. And it's got these cute little fun zippers in the front. And it's Velcro right here. And you put stuff in there. I thought this would be good for like hiking or just to go out and about and have fun. If you guys enjoyed that portion of the video, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my try on. So here we go.